Unlocking unparalleled access capabilities, the MK3000P stands as a testament to robust engineering and durability. Crafted from high-grade AISI 304 stainless steel, this access cover redefines reliability in landscape and underground applications. With dimensions measuring an impressive 3,380 millimeters, it effortlessly accommodates expansive openings, ensuring seamless entry to vital infrastructure below.
Designed to withstand heavy loads, the MK3000P boasts a load class of C250, making it suitable for areas with significant traffic and weight requirements. Despite its substantial dimensions, this access solution remains easily manageable, with a weight of 3,150 kilograms. Whether installed in urban landscapes or industrial settings, the MK3000P guarantees unparalleled security and longevity, fortified by its robust construction and exceptional build quality.